G'day folks, I'm Benno, welcome to the shed. Well, it's been a while, but back on the 80 again. A while back I changed some brake lines. So I changed this one, and the corresponding line on the other side. Never got around to bleeding the brake. I better put some fresh brake fluid in it. So we're going to use some Bendix .3. This thing takes .3 brake fluid. And yeah, well, let's just get into it and flush this thing out, see what comes out. What does the pedal feel like? The pedal feels pretty good. Not bleeding off. I'm pretty happy with that. You might have noticed the engine's out on the floor again. So yeah, there was a few things I needed to do, so I just pulled it back out. But I'm not sure whether I'm going to stick with that motor, or maybe this might be a nice donor. What do you reckon? Maybe chuck a Barra in this thing? Could be interesting. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments what you think. You want to see a Barra go into this 80 series? That could be arranged. So there was some chunky bits in that brake fluid, I noticed as it was going up the pipe. So see if we can't filter a little bit out, see what chunky bits we've got. Here we go. Pretty grubby. Pretty much like every other bit of oil or fluids that have come out of this car. Horrible brown colour. Ew, yuck. Don't know if we can see. Some chunky bits in the bottom. A couple of chunky bits in there. Yeah, that's not too nice. Nice bits drained through the shop towel.
Bring the funk back.
Give that a moment, come back to it. There's a few not so nice chunky bits in there. Hopefully I've blown all the crap out. We'll see once it goes on the road if the left-hand brake isn't that good. And the colour of that fluid's pretty damned ordinary. It's not real nice. Better out than in. Oh, so there we go. The front brakes are all bled. I haven't done the rears. I ran out of brake fluid. Hell, I just pumped a litre through the system, so I cleaned it out. It's still not 100% clean, so it'll probably get done again before a motor goes back in it. But speaking of motors, what do you reckon? Do you reckon the Barra's a go? Let me know. Just drop us a comment. What do you think about whacking a Barra in this thing? I think it's pretty exciting. There's a few benefits. You know, there's more power. It's physically lighter, and it's something different. I wouldn't be the only one that's doing it, but you know, I haven't done one yet, so yeah, maybe I should give that a go. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers. Have a great night. So I thought I'd better put some fresh brake. I better put some fresh brake fluid in it. That was harder than it needed to be.